Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can change modes in your Minecraft. So let's say for example you got bored of this vanilla normal Minecraft world and you really wanted to add some excitement to the game, some new stuff to the game, and you are really wondering how you can do it. So first of all, make an idea in which version do you want this modes to be in. For example, for me, I have mode in the 1.9.2 version and it is this one. So this is my kind of version that I liked and I use the modes in it. Let's say for example you want it on the 1.19, it will work for you. So what do you need exactly? So let's say that you fixed your brain on 1.18. okay, let's go ahead and you on Google or any kind of browser and type forge 1 point and the version that you want, for example 1.18. From here you can click on the first website and installer. Wait a little bit until you have these 5 seconds. It will not take too long for you, and just like that, skip, and it will be installed for you in here. So just like that, what you have to do is wait a little bit, wait until it's fully installed. So I have got a problem, so in folder, okay, it's fully installed now. What I have to do is click install client, and okay, for me I have already installed on 1.19.2, so I don't really need to install it again. Now what you have to do is go to Google again and click on Minecraft CurseForge, and from here you click on this first website, go to modes in here, and then you can check whatever mode you'd like to do. There is options in here. For example, you want storage mode. From here you can see all the storage modes in Minecraft, and let's wait until it opens. So something like that is good, something like that. Let's check this one. So what does it add for us? Some decorations, some, okay, that looks actually really cool. Let's see if it has our version of the game. So it has 1.18, it has 1.19, it has 1.17. If we go to files, we'll find other versions as well, I think. So files, we'll find all kinds of versions. So they have like multiple versions in here. You can click on view all to see all the versions. So there is actually so many pages. So the latest version they have, or the oldest version they have, is 1.15.2. and you click on download. You download the latest version or whatever version you like, and then what you have to do is click on Windows key and R on your keyboard, click here up data, okay, and then this window will be opened for you. Go to the Minecraft, go to mods in here, drag and put your modes. So for example, I have already a bunch of modes already installed in my world or Minecraft. So let me just open my world a little bit, enter the game, and it takes some time because I have really so many modes. So after I open it, normally it will be fixed. If you had any problems, you can just fix them because they tell you everything how to fix these problems. If there is something missing, they will tell you in the Minecraft log that there is something missing, you need to update something, you need to download something. But if everything is working good, it will be working for you fantastically fast, and it will be open for you. For me, couldn't not create Java virtual machine error fatal program exists. So I had a problem with my Java machine, as you can see, but by the end of the time you can fix it as long as you know the problem what it is. So for me, I have this Java machine problem, and I will be working on this problem, and I will make sure to show you how to fix it in the next tutorial, guys. So see you guys in the next tutorial, and thank you for watching till now. Bye bye guys.